Hi, I'm Gilbert-Jamison, your Team Huddle guru, and in this segment we're focusing on reducing stress in the workplace. But before we jump into our topic, for those of you who are not familiar with me, I am an author, keynote speaker, consultant, and an executive coach. And in one of my many roles, I actually write daily Team Huddle content for organizations to ensure their leaders always have engaging information to share in their teams or with their teams on how to raise the bar and elevate the customer experience. So let's get right into our topic of the day, which is reducing stress in the workplace. By reinforcing that at one time or another, stress affects everyone, our coworkers and customers. However, what's important is how we deal with it. Why? Because stress in the workplace can quickly diminish a positive customer experience. And guess what? Some of us are naturally able to cope with stress more effectively and recover from stressful situations a lot quicker than others. So the question is, if you notice that a coworker or customer is stressed out, what can you do to help? Well, here are two simple recommendations. The best thing is to start by being understanding, not judgmental. And next, ask if everything is all right and how you can help. And if it's a coworker, also ask if they need to take a quick break to clear their head, offering to fill in for them if you can. The best thing that we can do when someone is stressed out is, of course, to be supportive. Remember, a person's stress level can be triggered by a sudden negative change or traumatic experience that we may not be aware of. But ultimately, it's important that we are compassionate, considerate, supportive, and helpful in their time of need.